Today we'll discuss how to perform a ducking activity by using the PyRx. There are so many tools are used to perform it ducking, but in PyRx we can dock a single receptor with many ligand molecules at a time. So first of all, I open the PyRx tools and we go to files and load molecule. Create 3B, our receptor, which we used for docking activity. So uh, after the load of our receptor molecule, we convert and prepare this receptor by changing PDB form to PDB QT. For that purpose, we click on create 3B and right click. Autodoc make macromolecule. Select OK. Autodoc. And our receptor molecule now take there. After that, we load the ligand molecule. Go to the open web and right click on. For this docking, we use four ligand molecule. First, and all the ligand molecule are phyto compound. You can also use more than four. Uh, then we convert or minimize the energy of the all ligand molecule. For that, we right click, then minimize on. Then convert after energy minimization, we convert all the ligand molecule to into the PDB cube. Then right click, convert all to the ligand PDB cube. After converting all the receptor and the ligand molecule from PDB to PDB-QT, we perform the docking activity. Then go to the window wizard, hit start. Uh, Click on ligand list selection. Only one ligand is get selected. One, two, three, four. And you can see there's four ligand and one macromolecule. Then go to the forward. We select all the receptor molecule for docking address so that we can make the table maximum to maximum molecule of the receptor that can be present in within the box. Then go to the forward. Now the docking activity will start. And the first molecule, the cathepsin, is get docked. The process is running. I can see the docking of the first ligand molecule receptor now started. Like this manner, all the ligand molecule is docked with the receptor. Docking it takes some time. Now all the docking activity already done. We save this docking table in CSV file. Click on this. Docking result that can be represented in the Excel sheet format. You also download the docking complex in a docking output file in PDB Qt format. On macro molecules and PF3B and one of the recycle. All the 9 poles of the complex are already present. You can download only the model one. Click on model one, right click and save as PDB. Save it as docking output. And you also see the 2D and 3D interaction of this docking complex by using the BioWare Discovery Studio. So thank you.